Girls with dreams become women with vision. Wishing you all Happy Women's Day. Today, we have come up with more scholarships for girls and women in India. Welcome back to Scholarship Attributes. Pragati Scholarship for Girl Students. To provide encouragement and support to girl child to pursue technical education, Pragati Scholarship being launched by the MHRD from the year 2014 to 2015 and implemented by All India Council for Technical Education. This is an attempt to give every young woman the opportunity to further her education and prepare for a successful future by empowering women through technical education. Number of scholarships available in this scheme is 4,000 per annum. The candidates should have been admitted to the first year of the degree or diploma program in any of the AICTE approved institution during the current academic year through centralized admission process of the state central government. Applications are expected to start in the month of September to December every year. Grey Campus Women in Tech Scholarship Program. Currently, women make up less than 30% of the workforce in new age technologies. Grey Campus is offering 100 scholarships for women across the world to advance their careers in new age technologies. These are 100% scholarships for the data science and full stack development career programs. To be eligible for the Grey Campus Women in Tech Scholarship, please ensure that you meet the following criteria. Number 1, this scholarship is exclusively for women of at least 21 years of age. Number 2, candidates should be certain in committing 20 hours to program work every week for 6 months. Number 3, candidates should have a basic understanding of programming. Applications are expected to start in the month of January to March every year. Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship. Through the Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship, Adobe India strives towards creating gender equality in science, technology and engineering domains by encouraging women to showcase their excellence in computing and technology and become future leaders and role models in the field. To be eligible, please ensure that you meet the following criteria. Number 1, be an Indian female citizen student. Number 2, must be enrolled as a full-time student in a formal technology 4-year BE BTech education program or an integrated ME, MS, MTech program at an Indian university or institute. Number 3, should be pursuing a major or minor in the following streams: computer science engineering, information science, data science, electrical or electronics engineering, maths and computing. Number 4, may apply to only one of the following 2 scholarships: Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship or the Adobe Global Women in Technology Scholarship. Applications are expected to start in the month of August to September every year. International Women's Media Foundation Courage in Journalism Awards. International Women's Media Foundation offers Courage in Journalism Awards. The Courage in Journalism Awards show people that women journalists are not going to step aside, cannot be silenced and deserve to be recognized for their strength in the face of adversity. It honors the brave journalists who report on taboo topics, work in environments hostile to women and share difficult truths. The IWMF also recognizes the pioneers who kicked down barriers to make it possible for women all over the world to find their voices and make them heard. So far, they have honored more than 100 groundbreaking journalists in 56 countries. Applications are expected to start in the month of January to March of every year. Glow and Lovely Career Scholarship. Glow and Lovely Career Scholarship offered by Glow and Lovely Careers formerly known as Fair and Lovely Career Foundation. Glow and Lovely Career offers a scholarship program for women. The aim of the program is to benefit women seeking financial aid so that they can pursue education and seek better employment opportunities. Glow and Lovely Career Scholarship available for undergraduate and postgraduate education. To know the application period, please refer the official website. Lady Meherbai D. Tata Education Trust Scholarship. This is a merit-based overseas master's scholarship program for women graduates engaged in social work, social science, public health and welfare of women and children. Established in 1933, the scholarship has been following a rigorous selection procedure, with the trustees taking keen interest in the selection process. Each year, up to 10 women get benefited from this scholarship. Application period is expected to start in the month of March to May every year. Sanskriti Prabhadath Fellowship. The Prabhadath Fellowship in Journalism encourages young women who wish to investigate and research on any topic of contemporary relevance. This fellowship will be given every year. The fellow may work on a book or monograph for subsequent publication within the given time frame. The work can be executed in Hindi, English or any regional language. Applications are expected around the year for the next year's fellowship. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO Scholarship for Girls. DRDO offers DRDO Scholarship Scheme for Girls through Aeronautics Research and Development Board, DRDO Headquarters. DRDO Scholarship Scheme for Girls courses includes Aerospace Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Space Engineering and Rocketry, Avionics and Aircraft Engineering. Girls and women students studying in the first year of undergraduate and postgraduate can apply for this scholarship. Applications are expected to start in the month of August to December every year. For more details and updated information, visit scholarshipsinindia.com. Thank you for watching.